You see James Corden went on Hot Ones? It is such a fucking terrible episode. I talked about it when it happened. I'll talk about it again. I can't believe I did Cordonic. I'll talk about it again. It's just... He somehow turns the most fun format into something almost unwatchable. He just has this incredible ability to just suck the joy out of everything he's a part of. I don't get it. It's actually incredible. Not even Sean Evans could bring out like a fun side of James. Watch it? I've already watched it once. I'm definitely not doing it again. Thanks, Resub, Tyler, and Foofy, and Race. Have you seen the Boneworks VR speedruns? I have not. 113 million views? Yeah, it's Gordon Ramsay, baby. What makes James Corden unbearable? I know nothing about him, literally zero. It's actually kind of hard to explain. You have to listen to him or watch him to really get it. But he's a comedian, I suppose, is the official title for him. But he doesn't really even make jokes. The things that he thinks are jokes are always just kind of like a nothing. It's like an actual just a nothing. He just says something and like nothing comes out as like entertaining. And his attitude is also just terrible. Thanks to Prime, Ominix, and the resub, Jack, and Tier 1 Bar, and the bits Torian remain. I don't know, he's just like truly insufferable. There's a Prime Frosty. 200k dislikes. Oh, on the Hot Ones episode. People just don't like him. Like, it's not like a hot take from me. Like, there's just something deeply ingrained in human DNA to not like James Corden. I have never met, nor have I ever seen on Twitter or anywhere, a James Corden fan. I don't know what his audience is, if there is one, but there must be one. I've just never seen it, and I can't really imagine it. Because again, like, he doesn't really like tell jokes. He doesn't really do anything that could be construed as entertaining. He's just energetic, I guess. But even that isn't super special. Like, he doesn't have super high energy. He just has some energy. I don't. It doesn't compute where his audience is or what they are. He's just truly obnoxious. Hating on James Corden again? It happens all the time, man. Yeah. I don't bring it up. I really don't. Chat does. Chat asked me about James Corden on Hot Ones, which I've already talked about, by the way. He's a gift sub again, Bar. Was there at least one joke that you liked from James? I can't think of any off the top of my head. Like, when he does try to make jokes, it's so fucking bad, and it usually ends up in a musical, which is one of my like least favorite things to happen. Like, musical comedy numbers. It's like, it just grinds my ass. I don't really like it. So one of his skits that went viral for people shitting on him was Don't talk about. Oh yeah. Don't talk about Jada. And it's just bad. Like it's just not entertaining at all. Thanks the resub wavy. The resub tofu. Show us the pain. I mean, I'll show you just the beginning. I'm not gonna get into the musical part. I won't do that to you.
All right, gang. Big Oscars night last night. What are we going to talk about?
I mean, I think it's pretty obvious what we should talk about.
Coda winning Best Picture. It was so good and so well deserved.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that was a pretty big moment, but that was also...
Ariana DeBose making Oscar history.
I love that. It was a huge moment. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, or we could talk about the thing that everybody is talking about. The thing that...
You saw what happened. We have to talk about something else.
James, we have to at least
No.
acknowledge.
We don't talk about Jada. No. We don't talk.
Oh, like I just don't like it at all. And then that's the whole song. It's just like the parody of not talking about Jada. It's so dumb. It's so dumb. I don't know who's consuming it. Like, everyone says middle-aged moms, but even then, I just don't see it. Like, I don't see it. He doesn't even make jokes or anything close to it. Like, I don't know. It doesn't make sense. Thanks, Arisub Kona and Salty. Bring James Corden to the official podcast. That would be a fucking disaster. Is this considered post-comedy? Oh, there's a term I haven't heard in quite some time. I guess. I don't know. Your mom watched him a lot? I mean, maybe you're right. Maybe that is the audience. But even still, like, I don't see why they'd choose James Corden. Like, there's plenty of other people that appeal to, like, a middle-aged demographic. Thanks, Resub Ray. Like Amy Schumer. Yeah, him and Amy Schumer I always compare. There's a unholy the trifecta of bad comedians, like this triforce of power when it comes to awful comedy. It's Amy Schumer, James Corden, and Brendan Schaub. Those three I always interchangeably talk about, like as a comparison to one another.